Alright guys, we are set up at Buffalo Gap again. We've got our 5 and 10. I have a surplus of 3s and 5s, a lot of 5s. And that's just some of the ones that I've got. Go up here, we'll start with some fryers, some La Crusade. We'll go to some Dutch ovens, up to some big O 12 DOLs. And back here we've got the Wagners and the Griswolds. Got a few Griswolds left. Got a lamb left, got some Wapaks over there. Couple of Lady Best pieces. Then we go to the middle table. We've got some of the Mark to Lodge. Then we go down. We got a couple of Blacklocks. Then we've got a little grill. And then our camp ovens. We'll see how we do on those today. And then we'll come over here, see the sign. Got a little pink cooler, pizza pan, couple of big cheaper pans, some cowboy skillets, and then we've got some corn stick pans, and then we've got on the back rack we've got a whole bunch of number 7s and 8s, and then we've got our BSR row. We've got some 6s, some 7s, some 8s, all century. Got a couple of griddles, and that's about it guys. So hopefully we have a great day.